this is criminal, what he's doing, because of his position, because of the amount of people that listen to him, and what could potentially come of this, I think is criminal without the criminal act happening.
An intellectual crime. But of course, we are aware in America is a free and open culture. There is freedom of speech. He is exercising that, but in the most negative possible way in times like this, which are very dangerous, and in a civilization that seems on the brink of changing. We do not want this violence. We do not want school shootings. We don't want synagogue shootings. We don't want people killed in their church, in a black church, or a white church, or a Protestant church, a Catholic church. We want people to enjoy their lives, prosper.